Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing good. Recently we went with installing mesh door for our home, and in today's video I'll be sharing the details on the same. As usual, while researching and planning to go with the best brand available in market, I started searching for YouTube videos but I couldn't find any. So if you're also planning to get mesh doors installed for your home, then this video will be helpful for you. After researching multiple options available in market, we finalized RKecran brand since this particular brand was having very good user reviews. So we called up Mr. Manjunath and he came home after scheduling an appointment. He showed us the samples and gave us a detailed information on the options available.
Hi everyone, I'm Manjunath from RKecran. It's a Coimbatore based company. Basically we are into mosquito mesh manufacturers. We have a full setup in Coimbatore, running in 3 shifts. We basically focus on the manufacturing of meshes for windows, doors, balconies and everything. And here is one of the model which I am trying to display you. This is the openable door or window with magnetic lock operation. This is the aluminum frame, outer aluminum frame, comes out with the different colors. And this is the stainless steel mesh, which we normally use it for main doors and windows. And this is the grade of SS304 grade, which is rust proof and the rodent proof material. And this is the synthetic brush. We normally use it on all the sides of the frames so that any undulant surface on the wood, so it won't allow any insects to pass through between the frames. And this is the imported magnet, the strip magnet we use it. This is basically to hold the windows and doors. This is how it catches, this is how it opens and catches. And we provide handles and also latch from inside to lock up. This is the premium material, and these are all the colors which we normally get it for the frames. This is the one model, and I'm trying to explain you another model. This is the pleated mesh, which comes with an aluminum outer frame with the 25 by 25 mm sizes. And this is the fiberglass imported mesh, imported from Saint Gobain, which can be operated like this sideways. So when you want, you can release the mesh and lock at the other end, and when you don't want, you can just put the mesh into the cassette. And this is the door which you can access completely, and you will get 98% air and light inside. And in these frames also you get the same colors like what I showed in the earlier video. Thanks.
We opted to go with openable mesh door premium since it's a top quality one. Afterwards, he took the measurements and provided the quotation on the same day. It took 10 working days for the items to get delivered, and the team came home to do the installation the same day itself. This mesh door was installed 2 months back and so far we are pretty happy with it. I found it quite easy to clean the mesh as well. So if you're planning to get a mesh door installed for your home, you can get in touch with Mr. Manjunath. I'll be providing his contact number and the website details below in the description. That's it for today's video and I hope you found it useful. So as always, do like, share, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you soon with another video. Until next time, take care and bye-bye. Thank you.